Tell me, how does the internet work?
There is chemicals in some toxic juice to power the satellites in the sky who makes internet.
Plug stuff into chargers. Everywhere there's buildings and you plug stuff in, the internet works, and other things too, like batteries help things work.
Internet is a signal. It goes to a satellite.
And like my teacher made schoolwork. That's how it works.
Works by wires.
Order something from Walmart, Target, and Shopper, everything, everywhere.
By electricity going through wires to people's houses, and that lights up everything and makes everything work. That's how I think.
In my house, they put internet, and then when they make the rest of the stuff and you charge the phone on the plug, it works. That's how you put internet, I think.
It goes in the wires near your house to the other person.
There's a plug on the pole, and it goes all the way to people's house.
Very good.
I think the internet works with electricity.
Going through the wires and the poles that are outside, going inside the electronic that you want it to go.
I think it's wiring cords.
Yeah.
You can see TV, the tablet, for Miss Sam's. I can do it at school.
The electric in the internet goes through where the internet lives, and then it sends the internet to the computers and all the other electronics.
The internet works because the Wi-Fi.
YouTube, how you do schoolwork, how you get to your teacher.
Let me play Roblox.
Yeah.
Electricity, and
It is powered by connecting to outlets in the wall and using our devices to get powered.
And if the internet doesn't work, the people can visit us.
Need to move information. The internet is a lot like the postal service, but the physical stuff that gets sent is a little bit different. Instead of like boxes and envelopes, the internet ships binary information. Information is made of bits. A bit can be described as any pair of opposites, on or off, yes or no. We typically use a 1 meaning on or a 0 meaning off. Because a bit has two possible states, we call it binary code. 8 bits.
Most people don't have any idea where the internet came from, and it doesn't matter. They don't need to. It's sort of like asking who invented the ballpoint pen or the flush toilet or, the zipper. These are all things we just use every day, and we don't even think about the fact that one day somebody invented them. So the internet is just like that. Many, many years ago, in the early 1970s, my partner Bob Kahn and I began working on the design of what we now call the internet. It was a result of another experiment called the ARPANET, which stood for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It was a Defense Department research project. Paul Barron was trying to figure out how to build a communication system that might actually survive a nuclear attack. So he had this idea of breaking messages up into blocks and sending them as fast as possible in every possible direction through the mesh network. So we built what eventually became a nationwide experimental packet network, and it worked.